In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Last War survival games. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to your Play Store and click onto the search bar below. Click onto the search and search in here for Last War. From in there, you should be able to see Last War. So from in there, click onto this install and from in there, play it. You should be able to open the application directly from there and you can just wait for this to successfully load. Last War is actually a game that helps you do math. So for this, click onto the start. This will load in order to open the application. So what you can do is you need to make sure that you're good in math in order to do this, and you also need to be good at timing. So let's head over and start the game. It will display you right here onto this bridge. So for this, just swipe left and right. Make sure to swipe directly into the plus icons and head over and then increase your speed directly from here. As you can see, we have been increased and you can do so and then also make use of these cannons directly from this part. You can actually upgrade using this option, so do take note of that as well. Once you have done everything or cleared every enemy right here, you will win on your game. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.